Hello everyone. So, some wanted me to do a video about how to make a YouTube video. It's pretty easy. I'll show you step by step. But I'm confused. How can people not know how to post a YouTube video? Now, let's get to the steps. First, you'll need to record a video with a screen recorder, or film a video using a camera. Use the camera to record a video, or record using MobiZen. MobiZen is a screen recorder that records your screen at any resolution between 144p to 1080p. An app you will need is YouTube Studio, which will let you monitor your whole channel throughout an app. The editing app I use is KineMaster. I would recommend it. Once you have the video, go to the YouTube app. Click on the little camera. Then pick your video. Then edit the title and description. Then hit this button on the top right corner. Congratulations, you just posted a YouTube video. Good luck with your channel. And I hope to see you next video.